we're gonna learn how to tie the double overhand knot. This knot is a stopper knot. It is a very clean stopper knot, and it's a very chunky stopper knot. So this is what you'll find on the tree motion bridges. If you don't have a stitch bridge or a webbing bridge, this is the knot you'll be using to tie those bridges. To tie the double overhand knot, you are simply going to be tying an overhand knot. But what is an overhand knot? An overhand knot is making a loop and then taking the tail and tucking it through itself, right? You kind of get this pretzel shape like so. The double overhand knot, if you give yourself a little more tail, is simply coiling it back over itself one more time, like so. And then if you notice, as I tighten this, we're going to roll this end over like so. And what we're looking for in a properly tied double overhand knot is a characteristic X, or crossing of the line on top, and that parallel line on the bottom. And that will create a nice stopping knot in the line. And that is how you tie the double overhand knot.